Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. I'm going to talk about a sad story of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Prophet of Allah lives in Mecca for 13 years. Lived in Mecca, persecuted, harmed, slain, spat. They killed one companion. For what? For what? For what? What crime did he do? What crime did he do? What he looked at someone's sisters? What he did not give up his money? The end of these men's transactions. What crime did he do? 13 years. They boycotted him and her family. Sahaba said, "You are eating leaves or trees, our offspring and our province like our offspring and animals." For what? Sumayya radiallahu anha frowned in prophets publicly and said, "I am not telling Allah." You know what? No, publicly. Leave Prophet and her companion. They grabbed Sumayya radiallahu anhu, a woman. They grabbed her publicly. They opened her legs and her husband and her son until they killed her. Exiled him for his land. Makkah, exiled him 18 months in Medina. 18 months he was crying. Why? Because he was missing Kaaba. He was missing Kaaba so much. She stand pregnant daughter. As a result, she lost her daughter, 8 or 6. A few months later, she ended up crying in Medina. She buried everyone children of his children. And while she alive, except Fatima, his uncle, she cut up his nose off. He cut up his ear off. They ripped his liver out. Fahan took a bite from his liver and spat in on floor. Sahaba said, when the Prophet of Allah seen Hamza, we never seen his cry like he cried when the Prophet of Allah seen Hamza, In narration, he prayed janazah in his ankle 70 times, and so much hope and so much pain to many years. And then when Fath comes, 10,000 victorious companions, an army that which are not Arabia never seen in her lives. We're happy to give her life. Just she seen him smile and enters haram in Mecca. 10,000 soldiers surrounding, and those people harmed for years and years. Now gonna go now, bro. Talk about turning her. And what do you think? I will do things today. They said, you are an honorable, generous person. Your son an honorable, generous person. Your son an honorable, generous person. The Prophet of Allah turned and said, go, every single of you are free. I forgive you. Where's Sunnah, our lives meant. I end up my talk with a special thanks to you all wonderful people for listening to me with great patiently. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.